I'm Dr. Lynda Dean-Duru.
And I'm Dr. Krystle Dean-Duru.
We are board-certified pediatric dentists at Ashburn Children's Dentistry, practicing integrative functional laser pediatric dentistry just outside of Washington, D.C. Because of our combined experience of over 20 years using lasers, we often get the question, what laser should I buy? And our answer is usually, it depends on what you want to do with a laser. But what if you didn't even know enough about lasers to decipher what to do with them?
Well, you want to do yourself a favor and take the Pediatric Laser Dentistry course hosted by Dr. Giovanni Olivi and Dr. Amy Ludeman-Lazar in Katy, Texas. And there, you're going to be learning principles of lasers, different types of lasers. You're going to have a hands-on experience with different types of lasers. You're going to learn excellent surgical techniques and things that you can implement in your office on Monday morning. So even as vets as we are, we learned a lot. So register today and
thank us later.
Thank us later.